Hello Sobat G2. Thank you for visiting the Dr. G2 channel. At this time I will return to solo hiking to the peak of Batu Roti. The peak of Batu Roti is one of the highest peaks of Mount Kapur in Ciampea, which is also a tourist attraction in Bogor, to be precise in Bojong Rangkas village, Ciampea district, Bogor Regency, West Java province. Various charms and natural beauty are presented at the top of Batu Roti, starting from caves, coral reefs, plants, long-tailed monkeys, macaca, and other natural scenery. Ciampea Limestone Mountain, located in Bogor Regency, has its own features with its 5 peaks which are on different sides. An intriguing name was pinned on one of the peaks, maybe because it looks like bread when viewed from below. Apart from Batu Roti Peak, which is a spot hit, there is also the Galau Peak, Lalana Peak, Akalima Peak, and finally Sempala Penenjoan Peak. Even though the 5 peaks of the limestone hill are at an altitude of less than 400 meters above sea level, the hiking trail cannot be underestimated, because it is quite steep. But the struggle to get to the top really pays off with a beautiful view from up there, especially at the moment the sun rises. In the morning, if the weather is clear without fog, visitors can breathe fresh air while enjoying the landscape of Bogor city and the charm of Mount Salak. The price of admission to the Puncak Batu Roti area is very affordable. Visitors only need to pay 10,000 rupiah per person and do not need to pay again if they want to continue climbing from Batu Roti Peak to other peaks to the highest. For those who bring private vehicles, there is an additional parking fee of 10,000 rupiah. Before climbing, visitors are required to report and fill in their personal data at the post provided.
Yeah. Yeah.
Visitors are free to visit this cute spot at any time, but the best time is before sunrise or sunset. The stunning views at sunrise and sunset, of course, can add to your collection of photos with exotic natural nuances for your social media. Considering that the climbing terrain to the top is mostly karst and land with quite a challenging slope, you are advised to always be careful. After it rains, the roads will be more slippery. For safety and comfort, make sure to use appropriate footwear. You are also advised to wear outfits that support more free movement. One last tip for you: when on the hiking trail or at the top, try not to open food supplies too often if you don't want to be followed and approached by the many monkeys that roam there. It doesn't take long, only about 20 minutes we can arrive at the top of Batu Roti. And this is the atmosphere at Puncak Batu Roti. You can take a break here while enjoying the view and taking selfies. For those who want to camp, not far from the top of the rock, there is an area large enough to accommodate dozens of tents. And because the terrain is not too difficult, maybe you will find a young couple who are busy dating at this location. And this is the end of the path from the peak of Breadstone or Batu Roti. For those of you who want to continue the journey to another peak, you should ask to be accompanied by the manager. Because from this area we can also go to Aka Lima Peak and AC Cave. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Goodbye.
Tidak ada jalan terusan. Ujung akhir dari Puncak Batu Roti.